Morning, guys. Today's my sister's birthday. I'm gonna be making her some pancakes. She really likes pancakes, so I'm gonna be making that for her. And yeah, so let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
School is over for today. That was really nice. And now we're gonna get ready for her birthday dinner. So guys, I will catch you back. It's supposed to start at 7:30, so see you soon.